Alright, so this is how to take apart your Xbox 360. Yeah. So here we got our Xbox that for some reason you want to take apart. I don't really care why, but I do it anyways just for fun. So yeah, first thing you're going to want to do is take off your faceplate, which is right here, this thing. And you just want to go stick your finger in there and pull on. That's simple. And you can just throw that over there. Then you're going to take this off. This I suggest a little flathead screwdriver. Just stick it in where the little tabs are. There, it comes off like that. And then most of you guys have like a little sticker right here. So that's Microsoft. You want to take that off. I don't care how you do it, but there's a way you can save it if you want to just keep your warranty, but I don't really see a reason why. Because Microsoft sucks. So yeah. And then there should be a cover up here too, but I lost mine. So yeah. Just take that off the same way, just rip it off. Next, you're going to want to go to the back of your Xbox. And then you'll see like right here, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, and right there. Those little tab thingies. I'll show you. So see those little like black little slits? Can't really see. Like right there. Just want to push your screwdriver in there so you'll hear a little pop. And then you do that on all of them. You just go. Different screwdriver. And then after you get that off, you can go to the front of it. And there's going to be these little clips, like button things. Then there should be 4 of them. Well, 3 of them and like a little half one. Just stick your screwdriver in there and they should come off. And see, I need to get this off. Whoops. Alright, then you got your eject button. Just grab it like right here and pull. Simple. Alright, then you're gonna need a T8 or a T10, they both work. You're gonna take off can't see this screw, which is the bottom corner, this one, this one, this one, this one, which is right there in the corner, and then this one right in the middle. I'll do that right now. And these should all be long screws like that. If they're not long, you did the wrong screws. You got this one. Xbox doesn't like being unscrewed. Oh, that's nice. Someone broke it. Alright, whatever. Alright, continuing on. Don't do what I just did. It's not too good for your Xbox. You gotta tip it over like this. And then you do this. It should come off like that. Okay. Then it depends what you're gonna do. You're gonna take off this thing, the little power button thing. Grab it by the top and pop this little thingy off. Grab your T8, come up to it with the 3 little black screws, and just unscrew it. I suggest putting these somewhere where you won't lose them, because you most likely need them to put it back together if you want to put it back together. Someone screwed these on really tight. Damn Microsoft. Simple as that. And you got this little neat little thing. Okay, now take out your CD drive, you just lift it up, and then there's 2 cords in the back, you just unplug. See, and you got this. Careful with that. Then you can unplug the 2 cords from your board. Got it. And to take off your fan shroud, you need your flathead. Stick it in there. And you just, I can't really describe how you do it. You just stick it in there and play with it. It should come off. You just go, yeah, and it just comes off like that. Most of them are probably really dusty. Okay, now to take off your fans, you're gonna unplug this cord from your motherboard and just grab your metal like that and just lift it up and then pull off your fans with one hand. Okay, and you have to snip your fans. Okay, now take off the motherboard. 1 second. Take care of this. I really hate people that do this. They try to take it apart, they don't know how, and then they break it. Be right back. won't have to do this part. At least I hope not. Now to get back to taking it apart. Okay. I'm going to take off these 8 black screws right here. Or they could be any color, but they're the ones right by the axis. These ones are really tiny, like maybe a quarter inch, probably less, I think. And this is also with your T9 Torx screwdriver. Those right there. Now you're going to take out the rest of the screws with your T10. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 other screws for your T10. In my next video, hopefully my next video, should be up in a little bit, like another hour, or probably a little longer, because I gotta go. But I'm going to be taking apart the Xbox 360 Slim, so you guys can know how to do that too. Ow. That was loud. Careful when you lift it up like that. Now do is you're gonna take it by the big heat sink. Lift up the front side first, and then it should just slide out like that. Then if you're doing the X clamp fix, I'll make another video later on how to do that. Alright, so yeah, peace.